Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today is 7th May and today's our topic is legacy classes in collection. First of all, the collection framework didn't include in Java. In early version of Java, we have several classes and interfaces which allow use to store objects after adding the collection framework in JSC 1.2. For supporting the collections framework, these classes were re-engined, so classes and interfaces that formed the collection framework in the older version of Java are known as legacy classes. For supporting generic in JDK5, these classes were re-engined. All the legacy classes are synchronized. The java.util package defined the following legacy classes. First one it is hash table, second one stack, third one it is a dictionary, fourth one property, and fifth one it is a vector. And vector classes, in this vector is a special type of array list that defines a dynamic array. Array list is not synchronized while vector is synchronized. The vector classes has several legacy methods that are not present in the collection framework. Vector implements iterable after the release of JDK5 that defines the vector is fully compatible with collection, and vector elements can be iterated by the for each loop. And first one it is vector. It is used when we want to create a default vector having the initial size 10. And second one it is vector int size. It is used to create a vector of specified capacity. It accepts size as a parameter to specify the initial capacity. And third one it is vector int size, int increment. It is used to create a vector of specified capacity. It accepts two parameter size and increment parameters to specify the initial capacity and the number of elements to allocate each time when a vector is resized for the addition of objects. Fourth one it is vector collection. It is to create a vector with the same elements which are present in the collection. It accepts the collection as the parameter. And next it is a hash table class. The hash table class is a similar to hash map. It contains the data into key value pairs. It doesn't allow to enter any null key and values because it is synchronized. Just like a vector, hash table also has the following four constructors. First one it is hash table. It is used when we need to create a default hash table having the size 11. And second one it is hash table and int size. It is used to create hash table to specify the size. It acceptable size as a parameter to specify initial size of it. Third one it is hash table int size float filiation. It creates the hash table of the specified size and fill ratio. It accepts two parameters, size of type int and fill ratio of type float. The fill ratio must be between 0.0 to 1.0, and the fill ratio parameter determines how full the hash table can be before it resized upward. It means when they enter more elements, that is in its capacity or a size, that have the hash table extended by multiplying the size of the full ratio. And fourth one it is hash table map. Means it extends. It is used to create a hash table, and the hash table is initialized with the elements present in M. The capacity of hash table is the twice the number of elements present in M. Properties class. And properties class, it extends hash table class to maintain the list of values, and the list has both the key and value of types, which a string, and the properties classes has the following two constructor. First one it is properties. It is used to create the properties object without having a default values. Second one it is stack classes. It extends the vector classes which follows. And for second one, stack, it is used to create stack without having any elements. In this, push, pop and pick and the empty and the search, these are the methods which is used. Thank you.